Welcome to this comprehensive review of GymBook, a website designed to be your ultimate companion for fitness tracking, workout planning, and progress monitoring. Today, I'll take you through the entire user experience, navigating its features, and sharing my honest impressions. If you're considering GymBook as your go-to fitness resource, stay tuned to find out how it performs. As soon as you land on the GymBook homepage, you're greeted with a clean and modern interface. The layout is intuitive, and finding your way around feels seamless. At the top, there's a menu bar that leads you to key sections, such as workout plans, progress tracking, and community forums. A standout feature here is the customizable workout planner. You can select from a library of exercises tailored to various fitness goals, whether you're into strength training, cardio, or flexibility. Adding exercises to your plan is straightforward, and you can set details like reps, sets, and rest intervals. The drag-and-drop functionality is a nice touch, making it easy to modify your plan on the go. One of GymBook's strengths lies in its progress tracking tools. The site offers detailed analytics for your workouts, allowing you to monitor trends over time. For example, you can see how your strength improves in specific exercises, or track how consistent you've been with your fitness routine. This level of detail makes GymBook a valuable tool for anyone serious about their fitness journey. Another noteworthy aspect is the vibrant community feature. Users can join discussion boards, share workout tips, or even participate in challenges. While this fosters a sense of accountability, it also brings a motivating element to your fitness routine. However, GymBook isn't without its flaws. Some features, such as syncing with wearable devices, feel limited compared to other platforms. Also, the mobile experience could use some optimization, as the website's responsiveness occasionally falls short when accessed on smaller screens. Overall, GymBook is a robust platform for fitness enthusiasts who value customization and data-driven insights. Its tools are practical and effective, though there's room for improvement in some areas. If you're looking for a solid fitness website to keep your workouts on track, it's worth exploring. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and in-depth walkthroughs of fitness tools. Your support helps us bring more quality content to fitness lovers everywhere.